One of the most widely installed productivity extensions in your organization just got quietly acquired by a shell company. And the update it pushed last Tuesday? It's harvesting session data. Do you even know which extensions are running across your fleet right now? In 2026, enterprise security teams are treating every extension vendor like a third-party supply chain risk. If you're still running an open install policy, you are one bad update away from a full credential compromise. The Chrome Readiness Tool gives you the complete extension inventory you've been missing. Every extension installed across every managed device, its published source, what permissions it holds, how many endpoints it's on. That's visibility that actually means something. Chrome Enterprise Premium lets you move from blocklist thinking to allowlist enforcement, which is the only model that actually works. You define exactly which extensions are approved. Everything else is blocked by default. CEP pushes that policy silently across your entire managed fleet. Find out exactly what's installed across your environment right now. Download the latest version of the Chrome Readiness Tool. The link is waiting for you in the description.